Yemen's Houthi rebel groups have threatened to strike Somaliland's Berbera port. Somaliland is a semi-autonomous region in East Africa's Somalia. In a video posted online, the group commander warned that they would use their ballistic missiles should Somaliland continue to provide Berbera as a base for the UAE military. The rebels have launched missiles to Saudi Arabia on several occasions, so can, in theory, strike Berbera across the narrow gap of the Gulf of Aden. Well, let's get you more now on that story. I'm joined on the line from Mogadishu by CGTN's Abdulaziz Bilo. Abdulaziz, how seriously are authorities in Somaliland taking this threat from the Houthi rebels?
Well, Karen, based on the recent events that we've witnessed coming from the Yemeni capital, Sana'a, it seems that the Houthi rebels are claiming the upper hand in the conflict that's dragging there for years now. Based on the events that we've seen there over the past couple of months, we've seen them throw two cruise missiles towards Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. And on the 4th of December, they executed the then former President Ali Abdullah Saleh in the capital, Yemen. So definitely based on those three events, no one can downplay the threats posed by the Houthi rebels. But coming back to your question, is a statement released by the Foreign Affairs Minister of Somaliland. This is a semi-autonomous region located in northern Somalia. His name is Saad Ali Shire. He downplayed the threat posed by the Houthi rebels, and one of the things that he said is that they haven't received any formal communication from the Houthi rebels regarding any impending attack that will target the port town of Berbera or also the capital Hargeisa, that is towards the north regions of Somalia. But definitely what's causing these events to unfold in that region and the threat from the Houthi rebels is the fact that the United Arab Emirates recently secured a deal there with that region. Part of that deal includes a $442 million deal to upgrade the port of Berbera and also to build a naval and a sea base there that can be used to attack Yemen. So definitely the Houthis are trying their level best to ensure that this plan doesn't work for the United Arab Emirates, and that's why they're threatening Somaliland.
Okay, that was Abdulaziz Bilo there in Mogadishu. Thank you very much for that update.